Imagine a vast ocean, 10 times deeper than anything found on Earth. It's so deep that no sunlight can penetrate the miles-thick blanket of ice above it. But don't let that fool you. Beneath that frozen ceiling, there's a world full of mysteries longing to be unraveled. This isn't just a scene from science fiction. It's Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Beneath its icy shell hides a humongous ocean, carrying even more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Scientists reckon that Europa has all the key elements for life to thrive: water, energy, and critical compounds. So, what kind of life could be lurking in this mysterious ocean? Are we talking humble microorganisms clinging to hydrothermal vents, or something even more complex, maybe even sentient? In this video, we're diving deep into the thrilling possibilities of life in Europa's mysterious oceans. We'll dig into the science that makes this icy moon a prime candidate for extraterrestrial life, and we'll let our minds dive even deeper, conjuring up visions of what intelligent life might look like in this alien sea, and how they'd function in this extreme environment. To kick things off, let's plunge headfirst into the facts about Europa's enigmatic oceans and unveil the reasons scientists are absolutely obsessed with this frozen world. Europa's ocean is like nothing we've ever seen on our blue planet. Imagine a world wrapped in a gargantuan shell of ice, spanning a mind-boggling 10 to 15 miles thick. And below that icy surface, there lies an ocean so vast that its waters dwarf those found on Earth, more than all of our oceans combined. But how does this colossal ocean remain liquid in the freezing reaches of the outer solar system? The answer lies in a cosmic dance between Europa and the mighty Jupiter. You see, Europa is in a constant tug-of-war with Jupiter's colossal gravitational forces, experiencing a unique process known as tidal heating. This intense force from Jupiter generates enough energy to keep the water beneath Europa's icy crust in a liquid state. But wait, there's more. On Earth, we've learned that life can thrive in even the most extreme places. Take the breathtaking depths of the Mariana Trench or the boiling hot waters around hydrothermal vents. In these sunless realms, life doesn't rely on sunlight. Instead, microscopic creatures called extremophiles have evolved to harness the chemical energy found in chemicals like hydrogen sulfide through a process called chemosynthesis. Now, what if similar hydrothermal vents exist on Europa's mysterious ocean floor? If so, they could also provide the same crucial energy source, creating a haven for life even in the absence of light from the sun. What kind of extraordinary life might be able to call such a otherworldly ocean home? Here on Earth, we find hints in the form of extremophiles, tough creatures that have evolved to flourish in the most extreme conditions. There could be microscopic microbes clinging onto chemosynthetic hotspots like hydrothermal vents or underwater volcanoes. But wait, it gets even more fantastic. Could there be larger creatures, resembling Europa's version of tube worms or crustaceans, that have adapted to extract energy from these rich chemical environments? And then there's the enchanting phenomenon of bioluminescence, light produced by living creatures. In Earth's deep oceans, organisms use this magical light to hunt, camouflage, or communicate. So, it's intriguing to imagine that in Europa's pitch-black oceans, glowing creatures might be the norm, illuminating the darkness with a bewitching underwater cityscape. But what if life on Europa didn't stop at lowly microbes and simple creatures? What if evolution took an unprecedented path, leading to something truly extraordinary? Beings that have adapted to survive and even thrive at the very heart of their watery world, perhaps even creating sophisticated societies of their own. So far, we've envisioned microbes and otherworldly, glowing creatures inhabiting Europa's mysterious ocean. But now, let's ponder an extraordinary what if. What if evolution didn't end there? What if, given eons of time and the perfect, peculiar conditions of this alien world, life had thrived and evolved into something intelligent, beings shaped by their dark, enigmatic environment? Let's delve into the essentials. What could these beings look like living in an abyssal, unending darkness? If sight were less critical, they might rely on amplified pressure sensitivity to perceive movement in their aquatic world, or even possess an uncanny ability like Earth's sharks. Electroreception, sensing the electrical fields of other organisms. Their bodies could be sleek and adapted to maneuver through the density of the ocean's immense pressure, equipped with appendages tailor-made for swimming and grasping objects. Picture fins that serve dual purposes as hands or sinuous tentacles, showcasing unparalleled dexterity. And then there's bioluminescence. These intelligent beings might use light for more than just vision, employing it as a formidable tool for communication. They could flicker intricate patterns of dazzling colors and rhythmic pulses to express emotions, ideas, or alerts. Their language might be an extraordinary visual spectacle, transforming the inky ocean depths into a breathtaking dance of glowing dialogue. Picture these remarkable beings forging societies. In the vast, resource-limited environment of Europa's ocean, civilization would likely focus around the scarce bastions of energy and nourishment. The hydrothermal vents. Acting as underwater hubs, these geysers of heat and sustenance could serve as gathering spots, akin to aquatic cities, fostering a critical reliance on collaboration for survival. But what shape would such collaboration take in this alien setting? Maybe their civilizations are based on collective problem solving, leveraging their dazzling light-based communication to coordinate hunting expeditions or resource management. Energy conservation could be etched into the very fabric of their society, and their values might reflect a harmony and efficiency that contrasts starkly with human norms. Art and storytelling could assume unheard of forms, perhaps through synchronized light performances that dazzle as much as they communicate, or narratives etched in luminous displays that flicker in the dark ocean depths like mesmerizing fireworks. Surviving in Europa's harsh, sunless oceans would pose monumental challenges, with food sources exceedingly rare. A civilization would have to evolve to exist on the fragile edge of survival. And their tools and technology, if there are any at all, could be biological or chemical in nature, fashioned from the very fabric of their aquatic world. And what if, in their quest for survival, they were to encounter us first? Would their luminous language be our first glimpse into alien speech? Or would our robots, like the Europa Clipper, simply be seen as peculiar, lifeless interlopers from a distant universe? Contemplating the possibility of intelligent beings in Europa's ocean isn't merely an intellectual game. It pushes us to envision realms and modes of existence entirely unlike anything we've encountered before. And in the process, it makes us ponder the very essence of life and our own place in the universe. Europa compels us to expand our thinking, to envision life not just surviving, but thriving in the most surprising and hostile environments. Its frozen shield isn't a hindrance, but an opening, concealing an ocean that might hold the solutions to some of humankind's profoundest enigmas. Are we solitary in the universe? Or might life in all its complexities be a universal fabric, spanning the cosmic seas? The best part? We're nearer than ever before to finding out. NASA's Europa Clipper mission, set to embark upon a cosmic journey, will orbit Jupiter and delve into Europa with unparalleled scrutiny. With state-of-the-art technology, it will scrutinize the moon's icy veneer, unravel the enigma of its vaporous plumes, and scrutinize the hidden ocean's chemistry, all without breaking through the ice. And who can say what the future will bring? Perhaps someday we'll launch landers or even submersibles designed to scrutinize Europa's oceans directly. These ventures will draw us ever nearer to unraveling whether life, simple or intelligent, lurks beneath the ice. Beyond the science, the prospects of life in Europa highlight the might of our curiosity and imagination. What if discovering even the most rudimentary microbe on Europa forces a reappraisal of our perceptions? What if it prompts us to ponder the concept that life isn't locked within our home planet, but instead a cosmic phenomenon that the universe itself encourages? Europa, a desolate, distant satellite over 500 million miles away, strangely feels within our reach. It's a reminder that our pursuit of knowledge isn't just an outward journey. It's also an inward voyage, unearthing fresh insights about life, resilience, and the everlasting possibilities of the cosmos. As we persist in our quest to delve into Europa and other enigmatic worlds, pose this question to yourself. What will we discover? Will we unveil a flourishing alien ocean? A glimmer of light from an intelligent being? And even more thrilling, what if we stumble upon something so unexpected that it rewrites our understanding of the universe? I am the wife and the virgin. I am the mother and the daughter. I am the limbs of my mother. I am a barren woman who had many children. I have many weddings and have taken no husband. I am a midwife and a woman who does not give birth. I am the solace of my own birth pains. I am bride and groom, and my husband produced me. I am the mother of my father and the sister of my husband, and he is my offspring. I am the servant of him who fashioned me. I am the ruler of my offspring. He produced me with a premature birth, and he is my offspring born on time, and my strength is from him. I am the staff of his power in his youth, and he is the rod of my old age, and whatever he wishes happens to me.